Hi, good morning, all, and thank you so much for joining this exclusive webinar on health insurance. My name is Ashish Asthana, right? And along with me, we have a great personality with us. Just to give you a quick introduction about the one who is with me right now, he's Dr. Ketan Bhatt, working with HDFC Ergo. He's a medical professional having more than 12 years of experience in the industry. So he will be letting us know, because I think this is a time, friends, to understand the need of insurance. Just to set a quick context, I must, I interact with some of our customers or colleagues. They say, I have my own corporate plan. Why should I take additional policy? And so on. There are a lot of myths onto it. But when it comes to financial well-being, as a part of financial well-being, managing your insurance is very, very important, and within that, health insurance plays a very, very vital role, because in the current scenario, if you see, not even during the current pandemic, even prior to that also, if you have seen, there is a drastic increase in the medical advancement as well as the inflation in the medical industry, wherein a single bill, even if it is a week hospitalization, cross more than 50,000. And then there are co-payments. Then when you actually deal into it, then you understand, oh, I would have better taken it. So why to regret? That is the reason we are doing this exclusive webinar session. And currently, though, there is a need also because of the pandemic. So let's try to hear out from the Dr. Ketan that what is the product all about? What is the current need? So all your specific questions that you have on the ground, please ask. We are here to take this, we want this session to be more interactive as much as possible, so that we can help you to the best, at the best. Right. So with that note, we welcome you, Dr. Ketan, to our show, and thank you so much for taking out your time, your valuable time during this point of this pandemic. Our investors are waiting to know, because this, as we have already mentioned, that this is the time wherein they need to relook towards their medical insurances and the needs. So with that note, I hand over to you, sir. Please take the session ahead.
Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone, and hope you are very good in health, taking good care of your health. So, first of all, very good morning and a namaste. Of course, handshakes are not there nowadays, so we are at distance and we are now away from each other. But you can see the beauty of this technology advancement, that we can watch each other, we can be with each other, we can see each other and ask for the well-being. So this thing has now taking move, and everybody is using this media to connect with each other. You can say what not, WhatsApp and Zoom calls and web calls and WebEx and all. I know. So yes, but the important thing is to stay at home, as has been repeatedly told or repeatedly communicated by the government authorities as well as our honorable Prime Minister. So it's the need of the day that we should stay at home and be healthy. So with health, yes, of course, you have to take care of your health, as well as the most important part is wellness. So health is not just the absence of disease, but it's complete, you can say, well-being of your spiritual, mental, social, as well as physical well-being. So with that, let me first introduce myself. I'm Dr. Ketan Bhatt. I have an experience of practice as well as in the insurance industry. When I started my career, I practiced for more than 20 years, and then I joined insurance industry, more than 12 years of experience in insurance. Yes, of course, worked in various fields of underwriting, claims, and product everything. Of course, I do take a lot of sessions also on product trainings. Again, allowed to take them. So we will go through this journey of the product Mile Suraksha. But before that, let's again, uh, time and all, people have asked that why is the need for health insurance, or what is the need of health insurance. But now I don't need to stress upon this, because with this pandemic coming in, everybody is now aware that I am not invincible. I am vulnerable, and no matter how much healthy I am, no matter how much care I can take, a small virus, which millions of them can fit on a pinhead, can can take toll of anybody, whether you are a 6 feet or 100 kgs or 60 kgs or whatever health aspect you take care of, you do exercises, you do yoga, you do everything. But if you are exposed to a viral infection, you are exposed, and if your immunity is low, you have got it. So you are and with comorbidities, of course, with the fast track life, we have a lot of comorbidities. You all know diabetes, hypertension, blood pressure, and all which is going on. So with comorbidities, you are more vulnerable to all these viral diseases. So that is one there. Now the need of insurance. So again, as I said, of course, everybody needs health insurance for a very simple reason. As I said, health is one aspect whose value is known only after it is lost. Very important. See, you know your value of life. You can judge, I want 1 crore, 2 crore term life insurance, because if I'm not there, my wife, my children, my parents need to survive. You can judge the amount of money you require, 10 crores. There's no, but still you can judge. You can judge every tangible asset you have, your securities, or your house, your cars, and what all valuable things you possess. You can judge the value because you bought them and you insure them. Of course, cars you do because it's mandatory. House you do because you are afraid that fire or something can take place. But health is one of the assets whose value, I am saying again, whose value is not known unless it is lost. And please remember, once it is lost, nobody gives you health insurance again. So people shy away. I'm not saying they don't give, but yes, you have to understand that very important, right time to buy health insurance. Now, what is this right time? So people think, or people have a very simple understanding कि यार मैं healthy हूँ, मुझे अभी insurance की क्या जरूरत है? Why should I take insurance when I'm healthy? But the actual right time to buy health insurance is when you are healthy. Why? Is because you will pass all the tests or all the proposal requirements easily. The insurance company is happy to accept you. As rightly said by Mr. Ashish, your group health insurance or your company insurance will not last lifelong. They are there only till you are on job. What happens? You retire. What happens? You resign. What happens one fine day? You switch the job or you try to do business. Then who will cover you, right? So you become a professional. You change your profession. So what will happen? You will not continue for a job. So what will happen? So you need an insurance. The right time to buy is when you are pink in health or good in health, so that you are through. You take an insurance. And the very important thing about insurance is health insurance policies have certain waiting periods across the industry. You pass off those waiting periods when you are healthy without any problem. So if the policy has a waiting period of 30 days, 2 years, and 4 years, now we commonly call this 30 days, 2 years, and 4 years is, or 3 years is, that first 30 days, most of the insurance policies do not pay anything except for an accident. Then there are certain diseases caps which have been put, or diseases which have been put for a waiting period. Very common ailments like hernias and cataracts and kidney stones and all. There is a list, every company has them. That is not paid for 2 years, even if they happen after you take a policy. And pre-existing disease. So suppose if you have a pre-existing disease, you are not able to claim for that disease for the 3 years or 4 years, whichever waiting periods are there. So the best part is, if you do not have a pre-existing disease, your waiting periods are shorted, right? So in this period, once you pass on, or once your 3 years are happened, three renewals are done, your policy becomes open up, or you are open for any other problems or which may happen after taking the policy. So very important is to buy at the right time. Very important is to buy at a right sum assured. So I will just speak on that. So one thing I said, that right time to buy, why insurance is required, you are now all know. So I don't need to go elaborately telling them why insurance is required. We are vulnerable. And of course, this is not just sickness, accident also. So you may land up into accident. Of course, this virus pandemic was also not foreseen, but accidents are never foreseen. And you will be surprised that the number of deaths which have happened in India because of the virus in last 50 days, more than that happen every day due to accidents. So in a city like Mumbai itself, where people commute a lot from local trains, there is the statistics of last year that 6 people die of falling from trains or getting in between the train and getting the accident by on a walking on a track or crossing a track or something like that. 6 people per day. What a loss of life unnecessarily. So accidents, yes, death, of course, death is covered under term insurance, but I'm talking about health. So health insurance policies not only cover your hospitalization expenses for sickness, but hospitalization expenses for accidental injury. So accidental injury could be fractures, could be any accident, right? Which makes you get admitted in a hospital for treatment. So basically the health insurance policy is designed to take care of your hospitalization costs. So if you are admitted in an hospital, whatever cost you incur is given back to you if you have an adequate sum assured or up to your sum assured, and that is very important for sickness as well as injury. Now another important aspect is some people think that I have adequate amount of money kept aside, but I don't think, if I'm asking you that what is the cost of the treatment, you will be aware. So I'll just cite 2 3 examples. We feel that say the cost of a fever in city like Mumbai, maybe could be, or fever or malaria or dengue, very common examples, could be something around 50 60,000 or 1 lakh rupees. Now most of the people might say that, okay, I have that provision, I have kept my some amount aside for that, but I don't think anybody keeps that amount for health contingency. We all invest in various tools and various aspects or various things for other things, or even we plan for a holiday in future. We plan that I want to go to a foreign country in future and I'll save money for that, but nobody, I think nobody keeps aside money for a sickness. So insurance is the best way to invest for sickness. With a small amount called premium, you can keep aside an amount which is called your sum assured. It could be 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 15 lakh, and that will work. And please believe me, that is available every year. So once you take a health insurance policy, it is renewable lifetime. You have to keep on paying the premium. Of course, the premium might increase because of your age slab change, but yes, that is a very good security for an amount which is quoted for your security as a premium. Now an example is that I always give live examples, and one of the examples is my family member who had a dengue fever. And what we do when we have fever for 1 or 2 days, of course what happens is that we just go to a doctor, or sometimes we don't even go to a doctor, we just go to a chemist, or we have some medicines stocked at our home and we take that for fever and all. And then the fever does not subside, you go to a family doctor and then show him. Of course that is the right thing to do, go to a family doctor. Same thing happened with my one of my relatives, and he went for 2 3 days for treatment on self treatment, which is the most dangerous thing to do. Then he went to the family doctor, and the family doctor suspected something, and he said, I think we should do medical test, and medical test was done and dengue was positive. Now, since his platelet count was very good, he was advised to stay at home, take a lot of good amount of fluid and food and all, and take care and stay at home. Don't go outside. So what happened with him was that he felt better in 3 days. Fever subsided, and he started going for job. Job was of course a roaming job. So he started going for job, and believe me, on the 7th day he was in a market or was somewhere outside, felt giddy and fell down, and he was to be admitted, or he had to be admitted in an emergency, and they found that the platelet count had dropped to 25,000. See, the most dangerous part about these viral infections is the platelet count. They attack on the platelets, and once your platelet count is down, your immunity is down, your blood clotting capacity is down. Believe me, that guy had to be given. He was admitted in ICU because by the time he was admitted, the platelet count fell to 15,000, and he had to be given some 7 8 transfusions of platelets. Was in ICU. He said, I just had a near-death experience, and the bill of the treatment in a moderate hospital in Mumbai came to 7.5 lakh rupees. 7.5 lakh because of a mosquito. Can you believe? Nobody has foreseen about this. Another example. So this was an acute viral or acute illness. Another example. One of my family members, my senior uncle, or you can say uh, somebody was known to me, taking good care of health, doing all the exercises, some stress, and he had some chest pain, and a physician himself, he went to the cardiologist, and the cardiologist diagnosed that I think there is something wrong, and we will not do some tests. We directly go for an angiography, as since you are a doctor, we should not take a chances. And he had done his angiography, and he found that 90% block was there in all three channels of the heart arteries. Now, I will repeat again, health is an asset whose value is not known unless it is lost. And now, once it is lost, I want the best. So I will not compromise on anything once it is lost. Whatever I will beg, buy, borrow, steal, but I want best treatment. So when I want best treatment, why don't I put a or why don't I do a provision for it? Now this person wanted the best treatment. He went to the best hospital, his best doctor to do it. And believe me, the bypass operation which he had to undergo went on for 14 hours, 14 hours, six graft bypass surgery. Can you believe six graft have to be put? His arteries had to be taken from his arms, from his leg, from his chest. And the total bill of treatment was 20 lakh rupees. 20 lakh rupees. Now tell me, who does have the provision of 20 lakh rupees unless you have insurance? He had insurance, but of 5 lakh rupees, putting bonus together, say 7 lakh rupees. Rest money had to be shelled out. 13-12 lakhs had to be shelled out from the securities, from the shares, from the funds he had. So nobody has this provision. So it is very important. Acha. Now the most important part also is that you buy insurance at an early age or buy insurance at any age you feel. It's before this problem set in. My point is that don't wait for things to happen to your body. Don't take it lightly. You can end up or land up into, even if you keep your lifestyle healthy, there is very important part which is ruining all our health is the stress. Stress is a mother of lot of host of ailments, and stress, nobody, I'm looking at an audience of 100 plus people. Nobody can tell me that I'm stress free. Everybody has one or the other stress. So it is very important to take care of yourself. Even at homes right now, we have stress of job, we have stress of a lot of things, stress of what will happen tomorrow. So stress is very important. So stress is one of the important causes of a lot of health problems. Yes, of course, and we should also go for insurance which gives us a comprehensive cover. So comprehensive cover by just not it is not just covering everything which I want. Like I just go and buy medicine and that also should be covered. No, comprehensive means my health insurance takes care of my health also as well as my sickness also. So comprehensive means a insurance product, a insurance company who is taking care, even if I'm not claiming or even if I'm healthy, it's with me and taking care of my health, giving me wellness benefits, a lot of things. So I'm going to present our product from HDFC Ergo. This is My Health Suraksha. So I welcome all of you on behalf of HDFC Ergo, and we will present or we will give a short presentation on My Health Suraksha, which is our flagship product. You will see that this product takes care of all your hospitalization needs plus your wellness needs. Very important part. We cannot shy away from a wellness. So wellness needs. I hope I think everybody is able to see the screen, and there is a presentation. So can I go to the next slide, please? Yeah. So this product or the product is popularly known as My Health Suraksha. So it's my health, it's me, my health, very important. The product takes care of your health. So My Health Suraksha, it contains inpatient hospitalization. Inpatient hospitalization means when you are admitted for 24 hours due to a sickness, illness, disease, or injury, the cost incurred for this treatment is covered for whatever sum assured you have taken. So up to your sum assured. So it is called inpatient hospitalization. It also covers. So 24 hours minimum hospitalization is required for all sicknesses on. But there is also something called daycare procedures. So what is this daycare procedure? So I'm not just going clockwise. I might go randomly. So daycare procedures are part of inpatient hospitalization. Now, as I said, minimum 24 hours hospitalization is required. But there are certain procedures which are daycare. Now, what is this daycare? So with the advancement of technology, you need not stay for more than 24 hours in the hospital, like cataract surgery or kidney stones, which nowadays can be just broken up inside your body with ultrasonic waves. So when we used to practice late in 90s, for a kidney stone, we had to literally enter the kidney and remove the stone from inside. As assistant surgeons, we had to stand with the surgeon and he had to go deep down in the kidney and remove a stone if it is not removable. Gone are those days. Nowadays, the technology has advanced, and even if I have to remove the kidney stone, it's done with minimal invasion. So gallstones, stones in the gallbladder, minimal invasion. So they just put a 1 inch cut on your stomach, and they just go through a scope and remove even the gallbladder itself. So a lot of advancement of them. So such unlimited procedures are there. For an indicative list, we have put 586, which is the highest in the industry, but unlimited procedures. All these procedures are surgeries, so you don't know. So they are done in operation theater, they are done in a hospital setup, they are done with anesthesia, but they are there. You don't need to stay for 24 hours, so you can go walk back home on the same day. So please remember, it is different from OPD. So OPD is not covered. Outpatient treatment is just when you go have some problem, you just walk to a clinic of a doctor and take medicine and come back. So that is not there. That is not covered. What is covered is inpatient hospitalization, including daycare surgeries or daycare procedures which are done in an hospital, but you don't stay in the hospital for 24 hours. So you are back home same day. Cataract is a very good example. Nowadays, you just do a surgery within half an hour, and in the evening, you are reading and you are going home. We go ahead. The policy not only covers, or the product not only covers inpatient hospitalization daycare procedures, it covers pre and post also. So as I said, that example of my one of the relatives, he had to show it to a doctor, and then the doctor found that something is wrong, and then he had to admit him to the hospital. So once you are admitted in hospital and your claim is admissible for that certain disease, what cost you have incurred to show it to a doctor or take medicines or do tests before hospitalization, that is called pre. So pre-hospitalization and post-hospitalization, that is after you are discharged. So we are not machines, right? So we don't, so we are not cars, or we are not machines that you change the part and it runs like new from the very next second. We take time to recover. We are human bodies, so we need time to recover. So what happens is that once we are even out of the hospital, you don't go to work for the same day. You take time to recover. So that is called post hospitalization. In post hospitalization, you have to come back, you have to go to doctor, you have to do certain tests, you have to take medicine for a long time. So we give pre and post 60 180, 60 days before hospitalization and 180 days. Please listen to me. 180 days. I'm stressing on this point. 180 days after hospitalization. Now this post hospitalization is very important. 180 days is 6 months. See, I'll tell you what. Even if I gave you these examples, why a person seeks health insurance. So even if I decide to take health insurance today, I will be afraid of not just few finer injuries or small illnesses like viral fever. Of course, nowadays this virus has created an havoc, but otherwise we all suffer from a lot of virus, colds and cough and all, few days of fever, and we are not worried about it. We are even I'm saying malaria and dengue, we take it lightly. We try not to get admitted, but we are worried. We are looking in an insurance product for major illnesses like heart attack, as I gave an example of one of my relatives who had to undergo bypass. So we are worried about major illnesses like cancers, bypass, heart problems, brain problems, stroke and all, major surgeries, big accident, loss of limb. So with all this, your cost does not stop after you are discharged from the hospital. You have to take medicine for a very long time. You have to do follow-up with your doctor. You have to do tests after you are discharged. The doctor will tell you, अच्छा आप थोड़े दिन के बाद वापस दिखा के जाओ, थोड़ा ये टेस्ट करके आओ. So all this can be coupled up to your sum assured. So this pre and post hospitalization, please remember, is within your sum assured. So if you buy a 5 lakh sum assured and the cost of hospitalization is 3 lakhs, the remaining 2 lakhs you can use for this pre and post. So it is within your sum assured, of course, but there is no capping. So the very important point is inpatient hospitalization. My product does not have room rent restriction, or does not have any disease capping, that मैं इस disease को इतना ही दूंगा, उस disease को इतना, no disease capping. Pre and post hospitalization also does not have any sub limits. We call it sub limits. It is up to your sum assured. Whatever is remaining in your sum assured, you can claim up to your sum assured or cumulative bonus if you have acquired that one. So pre and post hospitalization up to 6 months. So very important. We have domiciliary and home health care. So what is domiciliary? Domiciliary is when you cannot go to the hospital or your hospital bed is not available. This cover is there in industry from a lot of days, but not used because we don't require to use it. But we have brought in a new concept of home health care. As I said, we have listed. So of course you can go through my product. The details are available on my website. The policy wordings and the brochures are available. I'll not go into details of my product. We don't have a lot of time over here. But to brief you, that we have listed 9 very common illnesses where in certain cities. So right now, home health care is not available because of the lockdown period. But once the lockdown is out and everything opens up, we have 9 listed illnesses like dengue and fever and cough. You can say viral or fever management, chemotherapy also, and respiratory tract infections, and gastroenteritis, very important. So these are 9 illnesses which are listed where you can take home care or home treatment, but this is cashless at your home. So this is not outpatient. You will be admitted in your home, and a third party vendor which we have tied up called Home Healthcare will be coming and taking care, and they will see that you are admitted in your home, and they will give you this intravenous injections and all which is required with consultation from your treating doctor. So of course this is not an independent body, but this will be done on cashless basis. So right now it's available only in 5 cities of Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Bangalore and Pune. Of course we will slowly open up in other cities, but it's a very good cover for future, where we have nuclear families, and if one person is sick, the whole family has to take leave and stay and go run around in the hospital, come back, and so with home health care, certain diseases, not all, 9 of them can be at least managed at home. So that is a different cover. We shall sometimes, if time permits, talk in detail about it, but you can go through. This policy also, no, we'll keep this. Yeah, this policy also has certain other covers like organ donor expenses. If a person requires an organ or transplant, and the donor expenses is also covered up to the sum assured of this person. So donor expenses will be covered into the sum assured of this insured person who requires an organ. We have Ayurvedic, homeopathic, Unani, Siddha treatment also covered under this policy, which can be done in a government recognized Ayush hospital. So that will be there. We will have road ambulance to a certain limit. Recovery benefit also, there is an added amount of recovery benefit if you are admitted for more than 10 days in a hospital. So you get a lump sum, small amount, not much, 5,000 or 15,000 as a recovery benefit also. But very important cover is sum assured rebound. So we will go through that rebound also. Now can we go to the first slide? Yeah, first slide, previous one. Yeah. So this first slide was showing that apart from the general insurance product or general, I'm not saying general, health insurance product, what is new in this, or what has come new is the medical expenses cover, or the inpatient hospitalization now also covers mental health care, which was a directive of the regulator that you will have to include mental health care. So if somebody requires hospitalization due to a mental illness, that will also get nowadays covered. Of course, it is across industry, everybody will have to cover. Home healthcare, as I said, new concept. Post hospitalization increased to 180 days. We have rebound. We shall discuss a little bit on rebound. We have very important, as I said, we are taking care of your health. So we will be having preventive health checkup booster. If you take this policy after renewal, so once you renew the policy, every year after renewal, you will get a list of tests which will be done. We will give you coupons to do the test in your nearest vicinity, and that will be free of cost. So there are two types of policies, as I said, individual and floater. In a floater policy, one coupon will be given to adult person. So we will give it to adult person. Adult means not children who are covered under the policy, only husband and self and spouse who are adult members. So that will be given. So floater policy will get one coupon every year. Individual policies where people are covered with individual sum assured themselves, will adult members both will get. So this is a list of tests. So it is not just a simple CBC and urine. It contains, we'll see on the next slide, it contains even 2D echo, TMT, and some precancerous tests and X-ray and ECG and full lipid profile and everything every year free of cost. Plus, we are going to take care of your health, or we can say you can say what, there's a very good word, we will see that you will take care, take good care of your health. So we'll motivate, yeah, the right word is motivate. We will motivate you to take care of your health by giving you fitness discount at renewal. So this is one good concept which has come in. As I said, that health insurance products now also have wellness benefits. So this is one of the wellness benefit, fitness discount at renewal. So all those who nowadays take good care of their health, and we all have seen that people have started wearing the Fitbit band or the Google Fit band on their hands, and they track their steps and track their activity and track their gym sessions and all. So you can sync. So I have an download app called My Health Services, or IPO app of HDFC Ergo. You have to sync your policy number with the Fitbit band we have. So right now we have tied up with Fitbit or Apple Fit. All those who have Apple iPhones, they have a pedometer inbuilt, so there is a tab with that. So all those who have for themselves their Fitbit bands, of course, they should have their own Fitbit band. What they can do is they can sync once they buy the policy, they sync the policy with the app, and this app will start counting their steps, and the data will flow to the policy, and at renewal, there were certain steps which you will take every day or gym sessions, and that will be counted, and up to 10% discount will be given basis your fitness regimen. So the more steps you take, the more fitness. So there is a certain regimen, certain data which will flow, which I'll show you. So we can go to the third slide now. Third slide. So we have plans with wellness. Of course, what is the entry age? What is the sum assured? I think the screen might not be very visible to everybody, but I'll just explain. So the sum assured starts from 3 lakh. So right now with this, for this channel, we have 3, 4, 5, 7.5, 10, and 15. Up till 15 we have. Platinum is not yet open, so we will open later on. So we have Silver Smart and Gold Smart. So Silver Smart, of course, we'll have 3, 4, and 5 lakh sum assured, and platinum or gold smart will be having 7.5, 10, and 15, and above that is platinum. So we'll talk only about silver smart and gold smart right now. We will have all these benefits in that product. So room rent, medical expenses, ICU expenses, at actuals, and mental health care, home health care, domiciliary hospitalization, of course, will be there. Pre and post, as I said, 6180 will be there. Daycare procedures will be covered. Ambulance will have a limit. A road ambulance will have a limit of 2,000 rupees per claim, and for Gold Smart it is 3,500 per claim. Organ donor expenses will be there. Of course, air ambulance, which is a new cover, is not available for Silver Smart. So up to 5 lakhs it is not available. It will be available above 5 lakhs. So for 7.5 lakhs, 10 and 15 lakhs, you will have an air ambulance cover also, which will be on reimbursement basis if you are required to be airlifted in case of an emergency to the nearest hospital within the city or the district limits. Sorry, then you will have a recovery benefit. As I said, if you are admitted for more than 10 continuous days in an hospital, then whatever is the cost of hospital, that will be the given. But over and above that, some small amount of 5,000 rupees once in the policy year will be given. So for gold, it will be 15,000. So this will be once in the policy year, if only if you are admitted for more than 10 days. It will not be given if you are admitted in bits and pieces. So 5, not like that. If you are admitted for more than 10 days. Sum assured rebound. So I will talk separately on rebound. This is a very good cover which is there inbuilt without any additional premium. You have exactly the same amount of your sum assured with you, if you exhaust the sum assured in a big claim before the policy renews, right? So at renewal every year you have your sum assured renewing every year, and you pay the premium and keep on paying. So in general, or in health insurance, if I take 5 lakh insurance from today, so today is 8th of May, so till 7th of May I have 5 lakh. If I exhaust 5 lakh, then exhaust 5 lakh by December, then from December to next May, I don't have anything. So this rebound is such cover that will fill up that gap in case I exhaust the full 5 lakh in between. So that is rebound, automatic availability up to your basic sum assured, even for similar disease. So I'll take that little later, or just after this slide. Then we have cumulative bonus also. Now, what is this cumulative bonus? If you don't claim, so as I said, that the right time to buy is when you're pink in health and you don't need, but you should take insurance. You think you don't need actually, but you should take, because the contingency can come anytime. So if you don't claim or you are not hospitalized, we always believe that that will happen, and of course we should hope that we are not hospitalized. But you are not hospitalized, then if you complete 1 year without any claim, then the next year the policy will be renewed, plus you will get a certain amount of cumulative bonus. So that is an addition to your sum assured. So 10% will increase every year after 10 years. So it will keep on increasing 10 year, 10, 10, 10, 10. At the end of 10 years, it will become 100%. So my 5 lakhs, if I don't claim, so I'm a 30-year-old guy and I took health insurance today and I'm paying premium every year. Now I am not claiming for next 10 years till I'm 40, because I'm no need. So my sum assured will have a cumulative bonus of 5 lakh with me at the end of 10 years, that is in the 11th year. So 5 lakh will have 5 lakh more as cumulative bonus. If I claim in between, it will reduce by 10. So it will increase by 10 and reduce by 10. It will not become zero. It will increase by 10, but it will not increase after 10 years. So even if you have 20 years old policy, it will get static at 100%. So maximum is 100%. So in silver and gold both, it will increase to 10, 10, 10, 10, 10% till 100%. You have preventive health checkup booster every year. You have My Health Active, which will give you fitness discount, plus other wellness services through our IPO app. You will get blogs, you will get lectures, you will get fitness regimes, and you will get wellness discounts. You will get pharmacy and OPD and all other discounts, which will keep on coming once you register your policy with the phone app. So you will get this throughout the year. You will get these notifications and all, which we usually get when we download certain apps and food apps and all other apps and buying apps or merchandising apps which you use. We get a lot of notifications and discounts, pop-ups and all. So we'll also get in this wellness discount. So this will be wellness, of course, like pharmacy and gyms and all. So that is there. So next slide, please. So we move ahead. So this product. So the entry age. So entry age is 18 to any age. So a proposer can be 18, or he can cover his wife and his children. So we will have a family definition of self, spouse, and up to 2 children. We can cover up to 2 children, where the children's age can be 91 days to 25 years. They can remain with their parents till 25 years, and then they can separate. The credit of continuity will be given once they become independent and separate. There are waiting periods, as I said. The policy does not start giving you benefits from day one. You are admitted immediately after taking the policy. That will not be covered unless it is an accidental injury. So there are waiting periods. First 30 days, nothing is covered. No illness is covered except for an accidental injury. Then there are 2 years of waiting periods, and then there are 3 years. So PED. So if there is certain pre-existing disease and we accept the proposal, looking into your medical history, and medical doctors will examine. Of course, there will be certain tests for certain conditions. Medical tests will be required, and after doing all this medical underwriting stuff, we accept the proposal. Then there will be certain conditions, certain loading which will be put in the policy, and that conditions will also have waiting periods. So the waiting periods will be for pre-existing disease 3 years in this policy. So it will be 3 years. So this is just a comparison between my old product and new product. So you don't need to see the column on the left. Just see My Health Suraksha column on the right side. So the PED waiting periods are 3 years, but other waiting periods are also there. So I will repeat again: 30 days, 2 years, and 3 years. So there will be 3 waiting periods. The premiums are divided into tier wise. So that basis the tier you stay, you will be having the tier wise premium. So Delhi NCR will have a higher grade premium than Mumbai and Mumbai suburbs, and of course few cities of Gujarat like Surat, Vadodara, Ahmedabad, and then rest of India like Bangalore, Kolkata, and Chennai and all will have a other premium. So there will be premium bifurcation, and of course there will be an impact on claim. So you can take treatment in the tier which you are staying or a lower tier. But if you go to a higher tier, there will be certain co-payment. So we'll take that separately. Of course, the renewal of this policy is lifetime. So once you are in, once we give you the policy after looking into your medical condition and all, the renewal is lifetime till you keep on paying the premium. So you have to renew it every year. Now we give a certain discount also if you take more than 1 year policy. So if you take a 2 year policy upfront or you take a 3 year policy upfront, then we give you certain discount which is called as long-term tenure discount, right? So long-term tenure discount is a discount which is given for buying a policy for a long term. So this is a yearly contract, of course, because this is a health insurance and yearly thing. But you can take it for 2 years or 3 years, right? So if you take 2 years policy upfront together, you will get 7.5% on the total premium. And if you take 3 years policy upfront, then you get this 12.5% discount on the 3 years premium. So that is very important discount. Of course, there is a family discount for those who take a policy on individual basis. Now, individual basis means if I'm taking a policy for myself, my wife, and my child, all three will have separate sum assured, 5 lakh, 5 lakh, 5 lakh. There is also another option called family floater. So family floater is very important. Nowadays we take usually what is in vogue or what is very popular is family floater, where we have a common sum assured. So 5 lakh is the floater sum assured, and of course all three will have a common sum assured. So there will be a common premium also, and that will be little lower than the individual premium. So they don't have family discounts. So floater premiums are already discounted rates. Then of course, as I said, long-term discounts, and there are certain medical test age and all. So usually up to 45 years, if there is no medical history, we call it clean proposal form. So clean proposal is that I don't have, it is not just I keep it blank, it is that I don't have medical history. So I do not suffer from any lifestyle diseases like diabetes, blood pressure, cholesterol and all. And then if I'm less than 45, then mostly up to that 15 lakh sum assured tests are not required if I'm healthy enough and not, so I don't have any medical history, even not obesity. But if I have a medical history at a lower age also, then the medical underwriting part will get in. So doctors will examine and then they will take a decision basis the medical history. We can go to the next slide. So as I said, now I'll not go into details of all inbuilt covers except for rebound. So we have medical expenses cover, home health care, as I said, in select cities for 9 illnesses. We have pre and post hospitalization. Next slide. Yeah, we have daycare procedures, road ambulance, organ donor expenses, recovery I explained, Ayush treatment I explained, air ambulance available only in gold I explained. So let's go ahead. Yeah, so very important part, with the same premium which you are paying for 5 lakh, you have another 5 lakh with you which is called as rebound. Now, this is your e-wallet. So you have 5 lakh in your e-wallet. Now how does this get triggered? So I'll take 2 minutes more on this. So rebound is you have taken a sum assured of 5 lakhs, and suppose now this is today's 8th of May, and by December you have a claim and you exhaust the sum assured of 5 lakhs. So this rebound will come in. So you have another 5 lakhs with you in your wallet, and this will be useful for similar disease illnesses also, different disease illnesses also, accidental injuries also, for the same person, and also in a floater policy for different person and different illness, same illness. So this is available, but please remember, you cannot claim more than the basic sum assured amount in a single claim. So with 5 lakh, you have 5 lakh, that is total 10 lakhs with the same premium of 5 lakhs in the policy year. But at any given point of time, you can claim up to 5 lakhs. So if your first claim is of 3 lakhs and you exhaust 3 lakhs and 2 lakhs remains, this 3 lakh from this 5 lakh bucket will come and refill it again to make it 5 lakhs. right? So we just imagine 2 glasses of water. I give this example in all the forums. It's very easy to understand that I'm going to a restaurant, or I'm asking my family member to give me a glass of water to drink, and I'm very thirsty. I want 2 glasses of water. So the person gives me full 2 glasses of water and puts it on my table. And then he says, there is a condition, you cannot drink from both glasses. So of course I cannot pick up both glasses and drink because they'll spill over. So I can drink maximum up to 1 glass. So once I start drinking from the first glass and put it down, that is my single claim, the second glass will fill up my first glass and make it full again. It will keep on doing till I exhaust the second glass, right? So in a single claim, so why a table showing is triggered in the first claim is that I cannot drink more. So at the beginning, I have 5 lakhs. I can exhaust 5 lakh and then another 5 lakh is available. If I exhaust 2 lakhs, then 3 lakh remains. This is filled up again up to 5 lakhs by my rebound amount, and I can drink up to 5 lakhs. So at a single claim, I can exhaust up to my sum assured. But I have 5 plus 5, 10. Of course, a little difficult to understand, but it's very easy if you go through the wordings which are there in the brochure. And the next example, and please remember, this is available for chemotherapy dialysis once in lifetime. So if you exhaust the rebound amount for chemotherapy dialysis, it will be used once in lifetime. It will be there, but once in lifetime. But for all other diseases, it will be available every year. So you can understand that by paying 5 lakh premium, eventually you are not just paying 5 lakh, you are getting an bonus amount also if you don't claim, plus at the back to protect you there is a rebound amount available. So it's a rebound where we play the carom. So nowadays we are at home, so we are playing a lot of indoor games. And when you play a carom board game, you strike the striker, and the striker hits the opposite and comes back in the home shot with the same intensity. Very important, same intensity. So 5 lakh, 5 lakh. So 5 lakh, if you exhaust, the 5 lakh is available as a rebound. So we call it rebound. So the name is sum assured rebound. Next slide, we can go, and it just explains how the rebound works. I'm not going to detail. Suppose if you have 3 lakh sum assured and 30,000 CB and you exhaust 2.5 lakhs, you don't need 2.5 lakhs because it's within your sum assured. So you will pay the claim with 2.5 lakhs. The rebound amount of 2.5 lakhs will come and sit in your e-wallet, and it is available for the next claim. So if my next claim is 140, 60,000 is used from my e-wallet of that rebound, and out of 3 lakh 160 is used. Again, 240 remains. So if there is a next claim of again 2.5 lakhs, 240 will be paid. So if you see the extreme right column of the table, which shows 2.5, the final payable amount at the end of the year with all these claims put together is 2.5, 1.40 and 2.40, which totals up to 6 lakhs and 30,000. Now, how does this 6 lakh 30,000 come in? Is that 3 lakh my sum assured was there, 30,000 was my cumulative bonus which I have accumulated because I didn't claim for a year, and 3 lakhs was my rebound amount. So 3 plus 30 plus 3. At the end of the year, the total payability went to 630. So that is the example. Now, of course, to remember that in a single claim, you cannot claim total amount of 6. You can claim up to 330 in a single claim. And of course, if there was a chemotherapy dialysis rebound amount, then it's once for lifetime. For all other diseases, similar diseases, different diseases can be claimed every year, and it's available. So even if you exhaust the sum assured with a certain disease, the same disease, when if it is not a relapse, and if another thing happens for the same disease after a certain period of time, of course, that can be claimed under rebound. So we go to the next slide. Preventive health checkup booster. As I said, every year these coupons will be given once you renew the policy. So once your policy is renewed, these coupons will be given with the policy PDF. So once you receive the policy, these coupons will come in with a link and with a barcode or there, and you will have to exhaust them within 60 days. So there will be a limit of 60 days. And in individual policy, husband and wife can use. In a floater policy, one adult member can use. Of course, this will not be available for children. It will be available for adult members. But you will see the test set at the end of the slideshow, and it's a very good amount. So if you see, it's not less than 3,500 to 5,000 amount, which you are going to get every year. In fact, every year after you renew the policy. So cumulative bonus, as I said, of course you will have. Next slide is My Health Active. So this is what I was talking about, that we are motivating you to be fit. So once you take the policy and sync your Fitbit band with your policy number, you will start taking steps. And if you complete 50,000 steps in a week, it will be considered as one healthy week. So you have to accumulate such 36 weeks, 37 weeks, in fact, to get 10% discount. But what happens if you walk less or you cannot accumulate to 36 weeks? Then you can also avail discount, but there will be little less. So if you, in the whole year of 52 weeks, if you can avail only 26 weeks, then still that you will get 6% discount at renewal. But remember, you will have to sync your own Fitbit band with the policy. So that is very important. Even gym sessions, you can collect 900 calories of gym sessions, 300 maximum a day. So there is a maximum limit. 15,000 steps is the maximum limit in a day. So you cannot just run a marathon and complete 50,000 in a week. You have to take daily regimen. So see, we are motivating you to be healthy and take this regimen every day, so that if you keep yourself healthy, this will reap you benefits. So of course you can reap benefit from that. So 15,000 maximum steps a day. So you can collect 15, 15, 15 and 5, or 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, like that, by 5 days in a week. So 50,000 you have to collect. So once you collect that, or even gym sessions, 300 gym sessions, 300 calories gym sessions, so 3 sessions in a week. So that will give you 900 calories a week, kilocalories in fact, a week, and that will give you one healthy week. So please remember, this is one healthy week. This one healthy week will have to be accumulated, accumulated, accumulated. So if you collect such 37 weeks, you get 10% discount. Even if you collect less, you get certain discount. So it ranges from 7, 6, 3, 2, 1, or even half. So even somebody has walked 1 week, you will at least get 0.5% discount. So we will give some discount if you have synced your own band with the app. Next is health incentive. We'll not go into details. It is just saying that even if I have loaded your policy with certain loading because of a bad condition, or adverse condition, I will not say bad, adverse condition like diabetes, hypertension, or cholesterol, you can reduce the loading at the time of renewal by keeping yourself healthy. So suppose you are diabetic and your 20% policy is loaded, and at the before 3 months, so before 3 months, if you submit a healthy report by going to our diagnostic center and paying the amount and submit the report, and if we find that the report is good, then of course there will be a reduction in the loading percentage. So your 20% loading will become 10%, and you have to submit every year so that your loading remains 10. Otherwise, it will be 20. So it will not become zero. It will be half and full. But of course, that will be only there for people who have been accepted with loading and medical tests and all. So right now, we'll not go into details of that. Next would be health coach. Yes, with the app, or with the buying my policy, you will download the app and sync your policy, and you will get these benefits every now and then, as and when the company puts in. So you will have disease management, activity, fitness, nutrition, online management, where online wellness will have discounts in OPD, pharmacy discount, fitness center discounts, and customer engagement, monthly newsletters, and diet consultations, and health tips. And all this will be given. Stress management, weight management, all these tips will be given free of cost every now and then. So that will be available. Next slide, please. Yeah. So just to end the session, the policy is bifurcated, or you will be looking into the, when you go in the buying journey, you will find that the premiums are bifurcated into tiers. So there will be tiers. Tiers are bifurcations according to the city where you stay. So the 1A tier, or 3 tiers, we call it 1A, 1B, and 2. Delhi NCR will be the highest tier, so that will have a little higher premium. And of course, that person who buys the Delhi NCR tier policy can avail treatment in Delhi NCR and across India without any deductions in the claims. There will be no co-payment. Person who's staying in Mumbai can buy policy at Mumbai tier, and will have to buy Mumbai tier, or he can anyways also buy a Delhi tier. So if he does not want to have any copay, or want to have a peace of mind, he can buy the Delhi tier premium and just have the peace of mind that there will be no co-payment. But suppose I buy a Mumbai tier, I'm staying in Mumbai, I don't know, I will not be probably going to Delhi. Then I buy a Mumbai tier policy, then I am of course able to avail treatment across the country and Mumbai except for Delhi. So Mumbai, Mumbai suburb, Navi Mumbai, Pune, Surat, Ahmedabad, Vadodara, and of course rest of India, so the lower tier. But if I go to Delhi, then there'll be a 20% co-pay in the claim. So my claim will have a deduction of 20%. Of course, this will not apply. So please listen to me. This will not apply if the admission in Delhi is because of accidental injury. So if I'm going to Delhi for some work and there is an accident, road accident or rail accident, or and I'm admitted because of an accident, then this copay will not apply. Even if I'm going to a higher tier. Copay will also not apply if I restrict myself to a room rent of 2,500. So if I'm going to a higher tier for treatment, I have to just restrict myself to a room of 2,500. For any illness, for injury, of course, there is no restriction. An accident can happen anytime. You must have heard today also there was an unfortunate accident in the morning which happened in Maharashtra, the rail accident. So accident can happen anytime. It is not foreseen. But for sickness or for illness, when you get admitted to a higher tier, then only there is a 20% copay. So you need not worry if you're not going to a higher tier. If you're going to a lower tier, no problem at all. Somebody staying in the rest of India, paying rest of India premium and availing treatment in rest of India. Like a person in Bangalore, he knows the best medical facilities are available in Bangalore, and he might not need to go to Mumbai or Delhi, then of course Bangalore, Hyderabad, and all other cities which are not in tier 1A or 1B will have tier 2 premiums. So you are availing a premium in tier 2, or you are availing treatment in tier 2 after paying premium of tier 2, then your treatment is without any deductions. Only if you move to a higher tier, so a Bangalore person goes to Mumbai or Delhi, then there is a 20% copay. To avoid that, it could the admission is because of accident, then we will not apply, or he has to get admitted in a room of 2,500. So next slide, we can have this test set. So test set is not important. We go to the next slide. Test set will be there as per the medical history and as per the grid, which we can take it up later or some other time. Of course, your channel partners will be able to help you. The previous to that. So previous to that slide is showing that free health checkup. Now, as I said, preventive health checkup booster, which is available every year, irrespective of claim. I just did not mention that. So even if you claim, this is there every year. So see the beauty. You will take a policy, renew the policy. Once you renew, you will get coupon. So even if there is a claim in the policy, you are still going to get a coupon. So free health checkup or preventive health checkup booster, which we call, is going to be there every year for this one person for the floater policy, and individual members for adult members for individual policy every year. And see the test set. So what you are getting every year is X-ray chest, 2D echo or stress, whichever you can choose. PSA for males, that is a pre-cancer test for prostate. Pap smear for females, that is for cervix cancer. Very costly test, in fact. Even the 2D echo is nowadays not very cheap. Medical examination, complete blood count, urine, fasting sugar, creatinine, lipid profile, and ECG. So you see that the whole test set is not just costing few hundred, but it goes into thousand. Of course, we have various, the bottom table shows various relationships, but right now we are not doing that. We are just doing self, spouse, and children. Of course, for parents, you can take a separate floater policy or separate individual policy if you want. So next slide, we just iterate the whole product. So we just go to a brief, wide range of sum assured. We are right now up to the product has 75, but for this specific channel, as I said, we will have silver smart and gold smart. So that will be 3, 4, and 5, and 7.5, 10, and 15. Then of course, no disease limit, no room rent capping, no all daycare procedures covered, cashless home health care, pre and post hospitalization 6180, unique sum assured rebound automatic availability within the policy year if you exhaust the sum assured because of certain claim, that is available even for similar illness, different illness, and once in lifetime for chemo and dialysis. And of course, we have air ambulance for gold. Pre-existing disease 3 years, so we have 3 waiting periods. Please remember, 30 days, 2 years, and PED 3 years. So if somebody is accepted with PED 3 years. Next slide, please. So we have preventive health checkup booster every year. As I said, irrespective of claim, children can remain till 25 years of age with their parents. Then they can separate. Renewal is lifetime. Integrated wellness services. We have two types of policies, individual and floater as well. But as I said, market practices, people like to have a family floater. Fitness discounts, long-term discounts, both are there. Of course, you can get fitness discount at renewal time and long-term discount when you buy a policy for a long-term tenure. Entry age restriction is not there, lifetime renewal and tier-wise premium. So you will have to just take care of the tier. I would suggest best is if you are a person who's going around or have a change in addresses frequently, then you buy the highest tier, that is 1A Delhi NCR, and then be scot-free or be very relaxed that there will be no copay anywhere. So that is the all India premium, right? So you can also refer the policy wordings or the details or the brochures on the website. So this is in short. I think it was not short. I've taken a lot of time to explain the product also. But yes, this was a brief of Mahal Suraksha. And in case you have queries or in case you have any questions, you can definitely shoot in.
So viewers,
So
we are
thank you so
open
much.
for Q&A now. Any questions you have, please ask. Let's move to the questions part now.
Of course, I know that it's not very easy to remember the whole product in one go, but yes, the brochures are available. You can go through them.
Mr. Kunal is asking a question. I am a 65 years, have mediclaim policy of 2,50,000 plus bonus 1,02,500, and my wife 62 years, rupees 2,50,000 plus bonus 12,500, 1,25,000. With this, should I switch? If yes, what is the advantage?
Yeah. See, basically, so the question is pertaining to portability. Now, portability people do for services or for things which they might have a certain experience which is not favorable to them, and they want other service or they want a better features and all portability. But I think that at a very high age, it is not advisable to port your policy if you have already got the credit of number of years in the policy. So once your 4 years are over and you are already there in a certain insurer and you have passed the waiting periods, then your policy at this level will be covering you for almost all illnesses except the standard exclusions. So standard exclusions are there in all the policies, like this war, invasion, and nuclear radiation, and all we see, suicide and all. These are not covered. Yeah, so these standard exclusions are there across the industry. Apart from that, everything gets covered once you have passed that period of more than 4 years. And nowadays, the insurance industry is going to bring in a new concept called moratorium period. So moratorium period is going to be of 8 years, and once you have passed that 8 years of moratorium period in a certain insurance company or certain policy, then of course at the time of claim, mostly no questions will be asked, and the claims will be settled fast track unless there is a fraud or non-disclosure. So my advice is not to switch. You can always opt for a new cover. Keep this cover because this is there with the aging and the credibility you are having. Always opt for a fresh new cover. So whatever loadings, whatever waiting periods, or whatever exclusions are going to be applied, that will apply for the new cover only, and this cover will also remain. So of course, as I said, because of medical inflation, and I gave the examples that 2.5 lakh is not enough cover anytime. Of course, with bonus it has become 3.5 or 5, but still I would advise that switching would not be a good idea at a very high age. In fact, I would advise as a person or as a doctor myself to opt for a separate.
Okay, next question coming from Mr. Mohammed. He is asking, gallbladder stone was deducted on last month. Doctor recommended for surgery. Am I eligible to claim it? I have taken this policy in February 2017.
Yeah. So see, first of all, there is the policy. You will have to check the policy, And what are the waiting periods of 2 years exclusive, 2 years waiting period. So these gallstone things, as I said, like kidney stone, gallstone, hernias, hydrocele, cataract, there are certain 20, 25 diseases across the industry. All those products have them in 2 years exclusion. So even if you have taken policy some time back, and if you have not completed two complete full renewals, the claim would not get eligible. So if it is 17, so 17 to 18, 18 to 19. If your policy right now is in the third year, then it becomes eligible. So you will have to check the policy. Certain policies have 1 year waiting period for these illnesses. Certain policies have 2 years waiting period. Mostly it is 2 years. So if you have completed two renewals, so even if you have taken a long-term policy, if you have completed 365 plus 365 days, then if it is in the third year after completion of 365 plus 365, then it becomes eligible for gallbladder surgery. So gallbladder stones, kidney stones, all these come in first 2 years waiting periods.
Okay, so considering the time constraint, we'll be able to take the last question. Is that asked by Mr. Pratik? He's saying, what is difference between Health Medisure Classic individual policy and Health Suraksha Classic individual policy?
Okay, so health, Medisure Classic, and which one was the other?
Health Medisure Classic and Health Suraksha.
Okay, okay, okay. So please, just to inform you that Medisure Classic, the policy which was there, uh, actually you must be knowing the history that a few years back there was a merger between L&T and HDFC Ergo, and L&T merged into HDFC Ergo, and we had two products which was Medisure Super Top Up and Medisure Classic. So Medisure Classic came from that time, and Medisure is now getting converted into Mile Suraksha Classic at renewal. So all my Medisure Classic customers who already exist converted to Classic. Okay, they will have certain features which are same. What I presented today was new business of Mile Suraksha, which is Silver Smart and Gold Smart. So Medisure Classic new business will no longer be available now. That has been withdrawn. So all my renewals of Medisure Classic will be converted to My Health Suraksha Classic, and you will not find a Classic product available for new business. So it will be only Health Suraksha available. So it will be Silver Smart and Gold Smart.
Sure, Mr. Vineet Agarwal, you have posted the question. We'll definitely look into that, which you have been posting. That is primarily he's asking on that. What has the policy to offer preventive and corrective vision care? This is an area which is something should be now a part of my medical plan for me as well as my kids, with digital ways of learning and evolving rapidly. Absolutely. And my belief is that nowadays kids should undergo a preventive eye test annually. Definitely, Mr. Agarwal, we will look into that, and a lot of many queries we have received in terms of in the know-how of the plan and policy, and to further get in touch. So here, please understand, with HDFC Securities, we always ensure that we are a one-stop shop for all your financial needs, wherein health is a very, very important perspective in this. So definitely at an HDFC Securities level, you can please contact your relationship manager, right? If you have HDFC Securities Demat and trading account, you can please get in touch with your relationship manager. We have explained this exclusive plan, session was to let you know where from the AMC itself, that is where from HDFC Ergo, Dr. Ketan have joined in with us. We are always there to help you and support you. Some of the questions which was not got answered, we will be definitely asking your relationship manager to get in touch with you, and to take it further. If there is any assistance required, we the entire Ergo team is always there with us. We can patch him on a call or something like that with their regional local people who are available at our branches, and we will ensure that we will get in touch with you, and you can expect the call soon, right? So on that note, thank you so much all for joining in. Thank you so much, Dr. Ketan, for joining in and giving such an insightful knowledge to all our investors or customers. It was really a great value addition. I wish you all take care of yourself, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. It was a pleasure. Thank you so much for giving the opportunity. So please
Yes.
be safe, be at home, and take a very good care of your health.
Thank you. Thank you. And do let us know your feedback. How did you like the session about?